The Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable smartphone under M series in India called Poco M6 Plus, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M6 Plus 5G features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 AE chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M6 Plus 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens. For selfies it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, with HyperOS skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M6 Plus 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,499 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 5th. In graphite black, ice silver, and misty lavender color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M6 Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.